If you are afraid of investing in quality housing, do not watch this. Good morning mga kabahay and welcome to my vlog. This is Trinidad Model, a modern Filipino house located in San Jose, Batangas. Developed by Phinma Maayo, Trinidad Model has an 84 square meter floor area and lot area of 125 square meters. This model house has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths, a balcony, a patio, and a carport for your 2 vehicles. Not only we are selling this house, but the community and the exquisite amenities of this Phinma Maayo San Jose exclusive subdivision. There are 3 model houses. This one is the biggest house in Phinma Maayo. Our townhouse, which is the most affordable model, is sold out already. What I love about this subdivision is just adjacent to the main highway of San Jose to Lipa Road. And take note, cables from electricity here are underground vented. As of today, 50% of this Trinidad model inventory has been sold. One factor may be it was featured in P-Cello and other high-end popular vloggers. Another benefit when you invest in this house is just right in front of Metro San Jose Medical Center. Also, near Jollibee and under developments here in Lipa City and San Jose Crossing Road. Our master's bedroom includes his or her own toilet and bath. And here is our common toilet and bath and our second story with our 2 adjacent bedrooms. PSI or the toughness of this house is around 3,000 pounds per square inch. This house is ideal for and family users and for starting family homes and for exclusivity. You can message me for the price breakdown. Just message me on my Facebook broker, Diego Torres, or my main account, Diego Emmanuel Torres. And here is my number, 0976-506-6409. And here is our balcony. Yun po, so if you like this house po or any houses here po in Lipa City, Batangas, you can contact me below. This is a Trinidad model by Phinma Maayo and ayun po, welcome po for another house tour. Invest now it's early or buy her later. Maraming salamat mga kabahay. Until next time po.